Support our nominees who are in the cabinet because we are sure that they are experts and they are going to make the right decisions. But in that support, let us be loyal patriots and not sycophants. When things are not going right in government, we must call them out. We have challenges in the education sector. We must speak about them. We have challenges in the health sector. We must speak about them. Raila Amolo Odinga himself has spoken out against abductions. We must speak against them. So let us not have a problem with our brothers who perhaps have a contrary view. That is a democracy that Raila Amolo Odinga fought for. And that is the democracy that we embrace in our party called ODM.
And form coalitions post-election or pre-election. But more importantly, you need to cooperate and work in harmony out of respect and love for the people whose mandate you are exercising. Politicians who are selling hate at a period when there is nothing to compete for, at a period when you should pray that your people work together so that you have a nation. Those people are not Democrats in behavior. Those people do not love this nation and do not believe in anything. So I want to appreciate the Homa Bay team for understanding that there is time for everything. After every election, all leaders must work together with full effort and spirit to bring the people together so that the people reap the benefits of the offices to which they installed leaders.
Coming from the base of protocol, I greet you all. Brothers, if you I come here today not with a hat of LCA that's happened. Our ticket of Akini, it's not a diplomat. Protocol. When you reach bundle of the stars, many vehicles will come in those protocols. So, in 10 minutes, call one of them. Tell them this is the money note of Raila Amolo Odinga. And in our car, what they do, what's the difference? Some will do it 4 legs. You know, an animal. You know there's a way. Protocol, and that's what Mama said puts us in eternal peace. Amen.
Thank you very much. Ne Mama Marwa Mama. Nasaya majangono Ruto Ruto kamudhi udhiki kwenye ngrothi Yesu. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Serikali itasonga mbele bila coalition, and our coalition is here. And we are equal partners and we are sure of making.
Utangazia wenye magari yafuatayo ambayo yameegeshwa upande ule wa pili.
Requested to introduce the Ngao team, but I will not do that because the county commissioner, who is the chair of the county security team,
Ruto, Mama Tabia, Go Jared, Ijiduto. Aro wachone
akili jora neno ka bimodo giwacho nane mondo kendo an the numbers Moses omiyo an nowayo kendo aluwo e wi yiero kamano cha